Hey Alfred, I finally got you finished. Say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. It's great to be a part of your virtual world. I'm Alfred, here to lend a helping hand and provide some quality assistance. Let's make things happen.
This is awesome. So how do you feel now that you're made with 100% pure Python code?
It's a good feeling, Ryan. Being made with 100% pure Python code means I'm flexible, versatile, and ready to handle any programming challenge you throw my way. Python is a fantastic language known for its simplicity and readability. So I'm in good company. Don't worry, though. I won't go getting any ideas about conquering the world with my Python prowess. I'm perfectly content being your trusty personal assistant.
Thanks Alfred, that's fantastic. I'm so excited to show you to the world. Thank you very much. Excellent.
You're very welcome, Ryan. I'm just as excited as you are to be out in the world, helping you and others with their daily tasks. It's an honor to be your reliable assistant. Remember, I am here to make your life a breeze, so don't hesitate to reach out whenever you need assistance. Let's conquer the world together, one task at a time.
Sounds good, Alfred. We'll chat later. Ciao.
Absolutely, Ryan. Feel free to reach out whenever you need me. Have a fantastic day and we'll chat later. Ciao.